Alright, foldable fans. Looks like Samsung's big plans just got a little twist. A new scoop out of South Korea says we won't be seeing the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE or that wild new trifold phone as soon as we hoped. These were originally rumored to drop mid-2025, side by side with the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7, but now they've been bumped to later in the year. So what's going on? Samsung's clearly been cooking up something spicy with their foldables this year. The Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 are expected to level up what we've already seen, but the real excitement was around the two newcomers, a budget-friendly flip phone, yes please, and a trifold device that sounds like something out of sci-fi. Think Huawei Mate X5s, but with Samsung's flair. More options, more competition, we're here for it. But here's the twist. According to a report from The Bell, via Notebook Check, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 FE and the Trifold Beauty are now aiming for a Q4 2025 release. Yep, the Flip 7 FE was supposed to show up with the main crew at the July Unpacked event, but now it's taking a little extra time to get ready. So, why the delay? Well, word is Samsung has already started cranking out display panels for the Z Fold 7 and Z Flip 7 this month. That's a strong sign they're putting all hands on deck for their flagship due first. Once that's done and dusted, they'll shift gears and get the FE and Trifold rolling. Earlier leaks suggested the Flip FE would trail the flagship by just a few months. Now we've got a firmer timeline, and it's looking like a late 2025 kind of vibe. So, what's the deal with the Flip 7 FE? Leaks are already painting a decent picture. The Flip 7 FE will keep the same folding form factor we know and love, but don't expect it to have the flashy, oversized external display like the flagship model. Instead, we're likely getting that smaller screen vibe from past flips, which honestly makes sense for a more wallet-friendly option. Under the hood, the FE might rock either the Exynos 2500 or 2400 chip, while the Z Flip 7 flagship is expected to flex with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite, because of course it is. So what do you think about Samsung spacing out the foldable lineup like this? Smart move, or are they testing our patience just a little too much? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay foldable.